This is part 3 for ranking your content on Google. This is the publish stage. And the first thing that we're going to do is go into our website builder and we're going to drop this content that we wrote into the page. It's very important that when you do this, you keep the same outline structure in place inside of your content. You do that by using headings. So heading 2 will be the first heading that you have inside your content. And then you can have heading 3s as sub-bullets and things like that. Then you fill in all of that content with paragraphs, use bolds and underlines, italics, images, quotes, links as appropriate to keep the content engaging and fresh. Then you need to make sure that your page has a title that ends up being your H1. So in the body, you have H2s and H3s, and your page title is your H1. Now that that's done, you need to go to find the SEO section of your page. You need to make sure that you have an SEO title and meta description written. And that's for Google and people to help understand what your page is all about. Once you've done all of that, you're ready to publish.